Hello traders and investors, welcome back to another Finance Magnates video review. Today we're taking a closer look at Blueberry, a Forex and CFD broker that's been operating since 2016. In this review, we'll walk through what Blueberry offers, its regulation, platforms, instruments, account types, trading costs, funding options, and support setup. This video is for informational purposes only and is not a recommendation or guarantee of trading performances. As always, it's up to you to decide whether this kind of setup fits your trading needs and risk tolerance. Let's start with who Blueberry is and how it's regulated. Blueberry operates through several regulated entities. It holds an Australian financial services license with AFSL number 535887. It also lists authorization from the Mauritius Financial Services Commission and registration with the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission. If you're considering opening an account, it's important to check these details on the relevant regulators' websites and confirm which specific entity you would actually be registered under, since that can influence leverage limits, protections, and which products you can access. Now let's move into the trading setup and technology. Blueberry offers multiple trading platforms rather than just one. The list includes MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, a proprietary platform called Blueberry X, as well as TradingView and a web-based trader. In practical terms, that means you can choose between the more traditional MT4 and MT5 environment, the CTrader interface, or TradingView's charting and analysis tools. It really comes down to how you like to place orders and analyze markets. In addition, you can choose to trade like the experts and use Blueberry Social, which enables you to mirror the strategies of top-performing traders with a click of a button. In terms of what you can trade, Blueberry offers more than 1,000 instruments across several asset classes. These include Forex, commodities, indices, share CFDs, and crypto CFDs. If you're looking for specific shares, indices, or cryptocurrency contracts, it's worth checking the broker's full product list and contract specifications, including any regional restrictions that may apply. Next, let's talk about leverage and position sizing. The leverage available is up to 1 to 500, the minimum trade size is 0.01 lots, and the maximum trade size is listed as up to 100 lots on major currency pairs, while other instruments may have different limits. So, the structure allows for very small test trades, as well as larger tickets on the most liquid Forex pairs, subject to your margin, overall risk management, and the rules of the entity you fall under. Now we'll move into account types and basic conditions. Blueberry outlines two main live account types. The first is a standard account. This uses variable spreads with no separate commission charge. According to Blueberry, spreads on major Forex pairs typically range around 1 to 3 pips. The minimum deposit for the standard account is listed as $100. This type of account is aimed at traders who prefer to see most of their trading costs in the spread rather than in an explicit commission line. The second option is a raw account. Here the spreads are reduced compared to the standard account, with the broker describing them as roughly 1 pip tighter on major pairs, but a commission is added. The minimum deposit is again $100. This account is designed for traders who are comfortable paying in a set commission in exchange for narrower spreads, which can be relevant for certain styles like short-term trading. To make that clearer, let's look at the pricing structure. For raw accounts, commission is listed as $7 per standard lot per round turn for Forex pairs and for gold against the US dollar. US share CFDs incur $4 per round turn. Indices, cryptocurrencies, and most commodities are listed with 0 separate commissions, meaning that for those products, the trading cost is built into the spread instead. Commission is proportional to your trade size. The example given is that on a 0.01 lot trade, the commission would be $0.07 per round turn. On top of spreads and commissions, overnight financing costs apply when positions are held past the platform's rollover window. Blueberry states that swaps are charged or credited on positions held beyond 2358 to 0002 platform time. The general formula given is the swap rate multiplied by the number of lots and then multiplied by the number of nights the position is held. Swap charges are tripled on Wednesdays for Forex and tripled on Fridays for oils, indices, and shares, reflecting how weekend days are accounted for. If you plan to hold trades overnight, particularly in high leverage environments, it's important to factor these swap costs into your overall strategy. For traders who need it, Blueberry also offers swap-free accounts that follow Islamic finance principles. You can request one when you open your account. The exact conditions, like which instruments are included, how long you can hold positions, and whether any alternative fees apply, can vary. So it's best to check Blueberry's website or contact their support for the full policy. Let's move on to fees beyond trading and into funding. According to Blueberry, card deposits and bank transfers are free of charge from the broker's side. The broker also states that it does not charge withdrawal fees and that no inactivity fees are applied. That said, third-party banks, card issuers, and payment providers may still charge their own fees or apply their own exchange rates, so it's important to look at both the broker's policy and your payment provider's terms. In terms of how you can move money in and out, Blueberry lists a range of supported payment methods. These include credit and debit cards, bank wire transfers, Google Pay, Apple Pay, as well as several e-wallets and regional options. Specifically, Skrill, Nettler, DragonPay, Nawi, and BVNK for cryptocurrency transactions, FPX, ZotoPay, Jeton, and Manuva for Australian clients. Processing times are described as usually instant for cards, bank transfers, and Google or Apple Pay. For Skrill, Nettler, DragonPay, Nawi, BVNK, FPX, ZotoPay, and Jeton, the target processing time is around 30 minutes, while Manuva is described as instant. These are internal targets, and actual times can vary based on bank processing, compliance checks, and time of day. Now, let's look at customer support and extra services. The support structure described includes live chat available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with multilingual support. Phone support is available Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and email is listed as another contact method with a general promise to respond as soon as possible. In addition to the core trading setup, Blueberry mentions some supplementary services. According to them, they provide trading signals via Telegram or email, along with a weekly trading newsletter. These are positioned as tools to keep traders informed or to highlight potential market scenarios. As with any external signal or analysis service, these should be viewed as one input among many, rather than as instructions to trade. Performance, accuracy, and relevance of the signals are not evaluated in this video. To sum it up, Blueberry offers multiple platforms, over 1,000 instruments, 2 main account types, fast funding methods, and round-the-clock support. The broader details like spreads, commissions, swaps, and regulatory protections depend on the entity you open an account with and how you trade. This review is simply an overview of what the broker reports offering. Make sure to verify everything on the official regulator sites and in the broker's latest terms and decide whether the setup matches your experience level, goals, and risk appetite. If you found this review helpful, feel free to share your thoughts or experiences with Blueberry in the comments. And if you'd like to see more broker reviews, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.